Nikisha గారిని అడుగుదాం అయితే what's the thing that you like in director sir and what is the thing that you don't like in him?
I understood it in Telugu. You asked him the same question.
That's what
right?
I'm asking the same
What
thing.
I was trying to think the whole time. The things I don't like about him, I don't know if I can say on camera. I'm just kidding. So the things I like, honestly, he's a very patient, sorted kind of director. He has a vision beyond his privilege. See, there's a lot of people that get to study world cinema, travel the world, have lots of money and backing to make something. But when someone is able to make something in the given parameters of their surrounding and do a good job of it with full belief, to me, that's conviction. So if you have conviction, your attitude and your aptitude, they're already in sync. His bad habits have to do with food and sleep. So I'll leave that for another time. Health, he needs to work out.
And what will be your opinion or what will be your take on casting couch? If anyone gets approach you in that way, casting couch.
Honestly, I've been really lucky that I haven't had to ever face that. And I think I also come from that privilege where I would never have to face it. But honestly, if someone tried it on me, I would punch them. Like I would straight up just be like, boom, you're out of here. But I have been so lucky, whether it's God's blessing or just I've never had anyone approach me in that manner or ask me anything that has to be unprofessional. And it's not just in the Telugu industry. I've honestly never had to deal with it. Not that it doesn't exist, because I know people that have had to deal with it and friends of mine and everything. But I think in the end of the day, it's a choice. This is a word called casting couch or whatever, but nobody has to do anything if they don't want to. You know, so
Did you hear any bitter experiences from your friends regarding the casting couch from other industries or?
yes, I have. And casting couch doesn't necessarily mean sit on the couch and sleep with me. It could also mean just using your power at the wrong place. Like you can start a project and then use your power to flirt, to manipulate. To me, that is also wrong. So, of course, these things happen because either there's misogyny, or there's power, or there's money. But again, in the end of the day, everything is a choice. So if you put your ground pretty clear, I don't think anybody can ever step over it. But yes, a lot of my friends and a lot of situations where I've probably even had people try to talk to me or be like, understand now, compro. And I'm like, excuse me, I don't understand what you're saying. I have no idea. Why don't you emphasize? Why don't you write this in an email to me? Why don't you clarify exactly what you mean? Because I don't understand. So I think you have to be very clear that, nah, not happening.
If anyone is like present opposite to you, you'll be directly punching him.
Yeah. He could be at any level or anybody. I mean, for me, this is an absolute no. This isn't, because I do what I do because I love it, not because I need acceptance from anybody. In the end of the day, if I feel happy about what I'm doing or what I worked in, for me, that's enough.
Yes, Misha Garu, what will be your take on this?
I agree with her totally, like 200% I agree with what Nikisha had said. But of course, it's not a good thing. I take this acting thing as my job. Like, this is what I do. So for other stuff, for other jobs, if we go to some interview, we qualify that, and then they hire us as their employee. So if we are into this acting field, we are going for the audition. That should be considered as our interview. If we qualify that, then give us the job. Rest of the things should not be there. So like, whoever want to take through that thing, if they are happy with it, they are doing it. But I don't consider it my way to do this thing. So I'm also clear with my words that I want my job to be clean, and if I'm happy doing like this way, I'm satisfied.
And I think anyone honestly investing a lot of money who wants to make a really good project would never waste their time doing this. And there are people who would even say basic things like, we need to see you in a bikini to see if you fit the role. And I think at that point it's like, okay, give me the role. I will train. If I want to do it, then I'll become that shape. So even something small like that, like at an audition or a casting, to ask someone to be dressed in a certain way or to be able to basically measure them from top to bottom is also part of the casting couch or part of what shouldn't happen.
And if you are good with what you do, like if you are good in acting, if you're good what you are doing on screen, and if people are accepting you, nobody can't stop you reaching to the heights. Like, this is not the step to go there. So just focus on what you are doing.
Did you had any that kind of approach?
Actually, not directly, but I got one, movie offer through my manager, and one day we were discussing, okay, this is the stuff and all. The very next morning, I asked him, like, what about the project you were telling me about, and do we have any meeting for that? He said, no, that's not for us. I said, why? It was a good one, like the story was nice and stuff. He said, no, that's not for us. But why some other stuff? He just told me that, and I understood, okay, that we don't do that stuff. He was asking something wrong, and I denied them, no, we don't do that. So he didn't even, move next step. He just cut them off from there. So that's the thing happened, but not directly. Nobody approached me directly.
Okay.
See, to be honest, actually, commitment is very important. Ante, what does commitment mean? You should be committed to your job. May it be acting, may it be a software job, whatever it is. Whatever you do, మనం కమిటెడ్గా ఉండాలి దానికి. కమిట్మెంట్ అంటే మనం దాన్ని శ్రద్ధతో చేయడం ఒక పనిని. సో కమిట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, అండ్ కమిట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆల్సో. బట్ ఆ పదాన్ని చాలా పాడు చేశారు.
ట్రూ.
ఓకే, ఆ పదాన్ని చాలా పాడు చేశారు. టు బి ఆనెస్ట్, ఎవ్రీ డైరెక్టర్ షుడ్ ఆస్క్ ఎవ్రీ యాక్టర్ టు బి కమిటెడ్ టు ద రోల్. బట్ మన దౌర్భాగ్యం అది మారిపోయింది. అండ్ వీళ్ళే కాదు, ఈవెన్ వీ ఫేస్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ వైల్ వీ వర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు కాస్ట్ సమ్ పీపుల్. సి, మనము ఒక చేత్తో క్లాప్ చేయలేము. ఓకే, సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ దాట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. ఇట్ సైడ్ నుంచి కూడా చూస్తే, వెన్ వీ వర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు కాస్ట్ సమ్ పీపుల్, వాళ్ళ నుంచి కూడా కొన్ని ఆఫర్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి.
ఓకే,
దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఇన్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఇట్ మైట్ బి రేర్, బట్ అది కూడా ఉంది. మేము ఫేస్ చేసాం, ఒకటి రెండు మేము ఫేస్ చేసాం. అండ్ దెన్ వీ టోల్డ్ నో, మాకు రోల్కి ఫిట్ అవుతే చాలు, అది చాలు, మాకు సినిమా చేస్తే చాలు, మాకు ఇంకేం వద్దు అని.
బట్ చాలా మంది దే డూ థింక్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ ఇలానే అనుకుంటారు, అంటే లైక్ మేము రోల్ ఇస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి లైక్ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్, ఈ సైడ్ నుంచి ఆలోచిస్తారు. బట్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్లో నుంచి కూడా ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, వాళ్ళు పిచ్ చేయటం కావచ్చు.
I mean, it takes two hands to
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటండి, ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా అదర్ ఫేవర్స్ అడగడం ఎంత తప్పు, దాన్ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయడం కూడా అంతే తప్పు. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒకళ్ళు అడిగారు అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళని ఎప్పుడైతే మనం బ్లేమ్ చేస్తున్నామో, దాన్ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళని కూడా బ్లేమ్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళని ఎవరు ఫోర్స్ఫుల్గా ఏవి చేయరు. సో అది ఒకటి దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకుంటే అన్నీ సెట్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఈ టైంలో కొంచెం తక్కువ అయ్యి ఉండొచ్చు, బికాస్ మేబీ మోస్ట్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెల్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ జస్ట్ హియర్ టు మేక్ మూవీస్.
Please like, follow and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Subscribe
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
Film Jalsa.
to Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa.
To Film Jalsa. Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa.
Film Jalsa channel.
To Film Jalsa.